Welcome to Terra Naturals. Soap making brings me pure happiness, turning simple ingredients into something beautiful, nourishing, and crafted with love. I share only simple recipes without adding artificial colors, flavors, or ingredients. Today, in this video, let us explore UBTAN Glycerine Soap. UBTAN Glycerine Soap is a natural, gentle soap that combines the nourishing properties of glycerin with the age-old goodness of UBTAN. A blend of traditional herbs to cleanse and brighten the skin while keeping it moisturized. I have added more than 25 herbs to make my UBTAN powder. UBTAN powder face wash and face pack are available at Terra Naturals. Let's get started the recipe. For 1 kg of transparent base, take 15 grams of UBTAN powder. You can take up to 20 grams. Always use double boiler method. In my other recipes, I have added powder or other ingredients to the base, but here I tried adding the base to the powder and got good results. You can add powder to the base as usual. Mix it thoroughly and once again double boil it. Add 5 drops of coconut oil and 2 drops of essential oil of your choice. Pour it on the mold. Wait for 1 or 2 hours and unmold it. The UBTAN Glycerine Soap is ready. Stay tuned for more recipes in Melt&Pour series. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.